Third grade today in reading, we'll be going over our genre worksheet. So this worksheet is page number 26 at the bottom. It's in your Tuesday folder. Quickly, let's review our genre for this week. Our genre for this week is narrative nonfiction. So what we read yesterday, Room to Grow, was an autobiography. That's a specific type of narrative nonfiction. So an autobiography tells the true story of a person's life in order. It's written by that person and uses I and me. So if I was going to write an autobiography, I'd be writing it all about myself. Okay? Autobiography, I'm writing it about myself. So Gary is going to write our story for tomorrow. It's going to be all about himself. Kiku wrote our story for yesterday. It was all about herself. Okay? Let's look at our story on Keith Little right now. Make sure that you have your name on your paper. Then follow along as I read. Keith Little. During World War II, I was a soldier and fought battles in the Marshall Islands and on Iwo Jima in the Pacific Ocean. I was one of the Navajo code talkers. The code talkers used the language of the Navajo people to send messages to the troops. The enemy didn't know this language and couldn't read our code. Our work helped the United States win many battles. After the war, I taught people about Navajo language and culture. This text feature here is a map. So this map helps us understand where Keith Little was. This map is in the Philippine Sea, so you can see the Philippines right here, Japan up here, and then we have these two islands where he was. First question, how do you know that this is an autobiography? Well, who wrote it? Keith Little, and he wrote it about himself, right? You can see all these I's in here. I did this, I did that, right? So the text is written by Keith about his life. Sorry, you can't see that. There you go. The text is written by Keith about his life. Right, if you don't have that, go ahead and just pause it so that you can get that caught up. And then when you're done, press play because I'm moving on to the next one. Sorry, you couldn't see that at first. Number 2, what text features does the text include? That was our map right here, and then also our title. Okay, so title and a map. So what textures? A title and a map. All right. And then finally, number 3 you'll do by yourself. It says, what information does the map give you? I actually talked about the map earlier in this video, so if you missed it, go ahead and just back it up and rewatch it. What information does the map give you? Think about the map. What information can you learn by just looking at this map? Excellent. When you're done with that, make sure that you get it tucked back in your Tuesday folder. You should have also done your IXL for this week, so make sure that you're working hard on your IXL assignment today as well. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me on our Zoom call. Thanks. Talk to you later.